2. Radiation safety. Ionizing effect of radiation may damage body cells. Overdose of radiation, either due to short exposure to strong radiation or prolonged exposure to weak radiation, are both harmful. A. Biological effect of nuclear radiation. Ionization of body cell produces reactive ions that can disrupt cell functions. For radioactive source inside our body, alpha is the most dangerous, as all radiations are then absorbed by the body cells. On the other hand, gamma would be the least dangerous, as it has the weakest ionizing power and it will just penetrate our body and escape. For radioactive source outside our body, on the other hand, gamma is the most dangerous, as it can penetrate our skin and reach our internal organs. Alpha would be the least dangerous, as it cannot even pass through our skin. Nevertheless, different organs absorb radiation differently, and hence they are affected differently. B. Radiation dose. Radiation emission is measured in becquerel. That counts the number of disintegration. On the other hand, radiation absorption is measured in sieverts, which includes a radiation weighting factor that takes into account the ionizing power of different radiations. In this way, alpha has a radiation factor of 20, so its effect to living cells is 20 times larger than that of beta or gamma. You may wonder why beta and gamma have the same radiation weighting factor. The reason is, beta is more ionizing, but less penetrating than gamma. Strong radiation is of course dangerous, and it can even be fatal. And radiation effects are cumulative. Prolonged exposure to low dose of radiation can also cause serious health effects. In Hong Kong, the average annual dose from background radiation is about 3 millisieverts, mostly from lateral sources, and almost half comes from radon gas, mainly released from granite rocks, which is rich in Hong Kong and is commonly used in concrete for building structures. C. Protection against radiation. Minimize the exposure to radiation. Well plan the school experiment and make it as short as possible. Avoid unnecessary exposure to radiation of any kind. Keep away from radioactive sources. Beta can easily travel several meters in air and even further for gamma. Shielding is essential. Put on protective clothing or even lead shields. Stay behind concrete walls or a big tank of water may also help. Keep the radioactive source away from human beings. Put them in lead containers and then store them away from human activity. Do checkpoint 6 on the next page.